Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth not pairing and CarPlay not working on iPhone in iOS 15. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. Turn off EQ under music setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap music. On the music page, scroll down, tap EQ, select off. Tip number 2. Check Bluetooth access. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap privacy, tap Bluetooth. If any apps are denied Bluetooth access, you have to give access to connect the device. Tip number 3. Make sure that CarPlay is not restricted. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap screen time, scroll down, tap content and privacy restriction, tap allow apps, turn on CarPlay. Tip number 4. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap Journal, scroll down, tap Reset network setting. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Tip number 5. Enable and disable aeroplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Enable aeroplane mode. Then wait for few seconds and disable it. Tip number 6. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap Journal. On the Journal page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Tip number 7. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap Journal, tap Software Update. Software update is available. Tap Download and install to upgrade the iOS. Thanks for watching this video.